Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a TradingView chart on your laptop. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the TradingView website. You will need to create a free account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, choose a financial instrument such as a stock, forex pair, or cryptocurrency. The main chart interface will then load, ready for customization. Now, let's personalize your chart's appearance. You can easily change the chart type from the default candlesticks to bars or a line chart, depending on your preference. Adjust the time interval to view data over 1 minute, 5 minutes, or even 1 day. Feel free to modify the color scheme of the candles and the background to suit your visual comfort. You can also add or remove grid lines and session breaks for better readability. Next, we'll enhance your analysis with indicators and drawing tools. Click the Indicators button at the top to search for a wide range of technical indicators. You can apply popular ones like moving averages, relative strength index, or Bollinger Bands. Additionally, use the drawing tools on the left sidebar to add trend lines, horizontal lines, or Fibonacci retracements. Remember to save your customized chart layout so you don't lose your settings. Finally, let's talk about saving your work and some advanced features. Always save your chart layout to easily retrieve your preferred setup. TradingView allows you to create and switch between multiple chart layouts for different analytical approaches. You can also set up price alerts to receive notifications when a specific price level is reached. For strategy testing, explore the replay function to simulate past market movements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.